Now what is a process? If we look at a dictionary, we can see that this is a series of actions or steps that you take in order to achieve a particular end. And most of the time it's mechanized, automatized in any way, and it's used to produce or manufacture something, where that something is usually called a case. Let's look at an everyday process that any person could be executing every day. Now the person gets up in the morning, has breakfast, in a weekday he'll go to work, and in the weekend he'll spend the whole day in the pub. And no matter what day it is, in the evening he'll watch TV. Now see, getting up, having breakfast, going to work, going to the pub and watching TV are actions or activities which make up the process. So if you execute these activities in a specific order, you'll execute the process. Let's look at 3 instances of this small example process. Now first day is one instance. Person gets up, has breakfast, goes to work and watches TV. Friday is also a weekday, so it's kind of similar, if not exactly the same. Now Saturday we're in the weekend, so instead of going to work, the person goes to the pub before watching TV. Now what we do in process mining is we want to come from these specific instances back to the general process description. Now we can see that every instance starts with the person getting up, which is the first activity in every instance. After getting up, the person also always has breakfast. Now if it's a working day, after having breakfast he will go to work. So you can see that it's kind of a choice that the person has to take here, depending on which day it is. Because if it's a weekend, he will go to the pub instead of going to work. Now after this choice we have kind of a join situation, where the process synchronizes, so no matter if the person has worked or gone to the pub for the whole day, he'll always watch TV in the end. Now you see, this is a kind of